The most complex routine is that developed by the blue mannequin. The lead male is supported by 3 junior dancers. They practice together almost every day. During rehearsals, a young male in juvenile plumage stands in for the female. The dance has to be perfectly synchronized. With the lead male happy, they're ready to present their dance to a female.